Circle.
Circle. Let's draw a circle.
Star.
Star.
Can you draw a star shape?
Oval.
Oval.
Can you see an oval-shaped mirror in this picture?
Heart.
Heart. A red heart shape means love. Circle.
Circle.
Star.
Star.
Oval.
Oval.
Heart.
Heart. Stop. Air. Stone. Stone. Stone.
Words start with ST.
Star.
Stir. Stop.
Step. Star. Stay. Bird.
Birds lay eggs in nests.
Dog.
Dog. Dog.
Dogs have a good sense of smell.
Cat.
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 Do you know that cats like to eat fish?
Fish.
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 Fish live in water.
Bird.
Cat.
Cat. Fish.